Nyesha Bryant?
Yes, ma'am.
You are suing the defendant, Kayla Martin,
Yes, ma'am.
for $1,009 you say she owes you for car damages and related fees.
Yes, ma'am.
And I understand you brought a witness with you today, Zakia Poteet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So why don't we start with you, Ms. Bryant? Tell me how you know the defendant and what happened.
I met Kayla back in November of 2015. We were working at a club in Winston-Salem, North Carolina.
Doing what?
It's a strip club.
Okay.
She was a security guard, and Zakia and I both thought she was a really cool person, so we got to know her.
And what were you doing at the club?
Dancing.
Strippers.
I don't strip. I'm a go-go dancer, ma'am. There's a difference
Okay.
between stripping and go-go dancing.
Do you know how this works? When I ask her a question, she's answering it and you're quiet. Okay? So what are you doing at the club?
A go-go dancer.
Okay, and there's a difference between a go-go dancer and
And
a
a stripper.
Okay, what's the difference?
A stripper makes excessive amounts of money, and they go nude.
Okay.
I don't go nude, because in the state of North Carolina, if a club sells alcohol, you cannot be nude. They will get fined for it.
But you are not a stripper, you are a go-go dancer.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a difference.
Okay.
So we became really good friends. My best friend and her end up dating, and problems end up revolving around it.
Okay, but all three of you are friends?
Yes.
And you're all working at the club together?
Yes.
And you're saying that she was also a stripper?
Yes, both of them.
Okay, but you don't make a distinction between strippers and go-go dancers?
They was fully nude.
Okay. How old are you guys?
I'm
You're-
22.
Okay, and you're what, 23?
22.
Okay, go ahead.
So I get a phone call from Zakia asking me about her son. Did I say anything about her toddler son? Of course, I got riled up, and I started arguing with her, like asking her why would she say some stuff like that.
Were you telling your girlfriend, her best friend, things about her when she wasn't around?
No, Jakia was actually crying to me, telling me things what Nyesha, that's
Okay.
a stripper named Jersey, was telling her.
And so that's how this relationship started going downhill, because you guys think that the other one is talking behind someone else's back, right?
Yes.
When did the two of you break up?
Around the January time, end of January, February.
Okay, and the three of you have not been friends since the breakup.
Right, because
What
they
was the
played me
reason for
hard.
the breakup?
It's because the whole situation that happened. Like,
the car?
she basically just felt like she needed to protect me because we were together. But I wasn't okay
Protect
with
you
that.
from what?
From, I guess, her saying the things that she was saying.
Okay. Okay.
So she felt like, okay, well, you're my girlfriend, so I feel like I should have a reason to say something.
Okay.
But-
Do you all still work at the club, the same club?
No.
No, I don't.
Do you still work there, the two of you?
Occasionally.
And you don't?
No, I don't work there.
And what happened to your job at the club?
Well, I left because I was getting played hard, and I found out they was messing with guys for money. Well, I was told, rumors, and so I left the whole situation alone. I don't even be at the club no more.
That's
Okay.
not true.
Okay, all right. So now we're here. You're suing. You say she damaged your car.
Yes.
It was over $1,000 worth of damage. How did we get to that point where there's property damage?
I was at work, and Kayla comes up to the club, and as I'm performing my stage set, she comes up there, and she says, I ought to pull you off the stage right now. And I'm just ignoring her.
What is it about? You have to know something's
Because
going on.
earlier that day, we were texting, and I told her to keep my name out her mouth, and I have all those messages here for you. And
that's all you said?
No,
keep
and
your
I told
name?
her she can go with her dead mother. I'm not gonna lie, I said that.
Coming up on Judge Faith, text messages tell the rest of the story.
You say, kill me then, B, and you say, F your dead mother, now you can pull up. What do you expect to happen?
And later, a dad brings his car dealer to court over a car that clunks out on the New Jersey Turnpike.
I purchased a car from him, and I think it lasted me exactly 31 days or something like that. The car blew up and everything.
I'm asking $19.95 for the car. He's got $800.
Plaintiff Nyesha Bryant says Kayla promised to pay for the damage. She's suing for car damages and related fees. Defendant Kayla Martin says she doesn't know because Nyesha provoked her by talking poorly about her deceased mother.
You told her she can go be with her dead mother.
Yes.
And so you know why she's at the club then.
That was before, we had squashed it before, we both apologized to each other.
That day?
That day,
So
yes,
she
ma'am.
shows up angry about what? Did she apologize to you that day? for saying that?
No, she didn't. She actually said, F my dead mother. And Jakia was a witness
May I see
because
the text messages? When did your mother pass away?
2014,
So that was recent.
yes.
So she shows up at the club, and what happens?
She's arguing with me, but I'm not paying her any attention. I'm just laughing because I'm at work. So she got mad. She's like, you've known me this long and you're just gonna pick her over me. She left, she's like, now go outside and check your car.
And did you go outside and check
No,
your
I
car?
finished, because at the end of the day, I'm at work.
And you're mid-routine. I understand. So did you do anything to her car?
I kicked the car,
Oh, so you admit you kicked her car.
yes.
Why did you do that?
Because she kept pushing buttons by saying stuff about my mother. And that really hurt because I'm still grieving, you know, by my mom passing.
So here are the text messages. You tell her you can kindly go with your mother. She'll love to have you with her. And then you say, kill me then, B. And you say, F your dead mother too, B. Now you can pull up. What do you expect to happen when you tell someone whose mother recently passed away, F your dead mother?
And I own up to what I did wrong. And I'm an adult and I admit to what I did.
Well, you're
what I said
suing her
wrong.
$4,000 for kicking your car. You don't think you bear any responsibility for provoking a fight in this situation?
First of all, I did not provoke a fight.
Yes, you did.
If you look back at the messages before this incident even expired, she called me the B word, told me I'm a Molly head, just going off.
You say your car was damaged. Show me the estimate, proof of your damages. Too much drama going on between you young ladies over nothing, over nonsense. Too much drama. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, when those Harriet Tubman 20s come out, I don't want to hear about y'all making it rain in the strip club with those $20 bills. Do not disrespect Mother Tubman like that. You're suing for $828 in damages to your truck. Let me see the photo of the damages. $828 seems like a lot for the dent that I see on your car. But second of all, more importantly, you bear some responsibility in this. You can't pick a fight with someone, provoke someone to the level that you did. And I understand there was some back and forth, but obviously you went there with her, right? You want to talk about her dead mother, and then she pulls up. You told her to pull up, she pulls up, and now you want to sue her? Since I find that you bear some responsibility in what happened, I'm speaking now. You are not. We're not at the strip club. I'm not your mama, and I'm not your sister.
And I never said you was. And I'm not a stripper.
I didn't say you were a stripper. I said we're not at the strip club. I understand you've made it very clear to me you are a go-go dancer. I get it. But you bear some responsibility in this too. I'm going to order you to pay the plaintiff $500 and you pay the remainder. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $500. Since you bear responsibility, you're going to split the cost. Judgment for the plaintiff, $500.